Let's look at the top headlines first. Core issue of SU not addressed, Aksil. Curfew relaxed from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Imphal East and West and Thoubal districts. And Inspector General Rajiv Singh appointed as new DGP Manipur. Hello and welcome to ELITETV English News. I'm UTPALA Longjam. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. While the Sioux Kuki militants are causing all the violence and prolonging the conflict, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has failed to address this core issue, the cause of all the violence during his visit to Manipur, said Apunba Kaithel Shinai B. Lup Kangleipak Aksil. Speaking at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Major Cole Aksil President Kamnam Sobapati said, the present unrest in the state may never end until the Kuki militants abandon weapons to follow the Sioux ground rules and shed their hidden agenda. Sobapati asserted that the violence perpetrated by Kuki militants are a result of the government's crackdown on illegal immigrants and Myanmar poppy cultivation and eviction drives aimed at preserving and protecting reserved and protected forests. They had vented their anger to the Meitei community as they couldn't face the government, she said. Senior IPS officer and CRPF Inspector General Rajiv Singh has been appointed as the new Director General of Police DGP Manipur and Head of Police Force. Special Secretary to the Government of Manipur, Jeffrey, issued an order to the effect today. On the other hand, DGP P. Dongel has been reposted as Officer on Special Duty, Home, which is a new post created by the state government. The order issued today by the Special Secretary said that Rajiv Singh should take charge of the post of DGP Manipur from P. Dongel immediately upon joining the state government. Curfew will be relaxed from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Imphal East, West and Thoubal districts tomorrow, said separate orders issued today. People were seen rushing to the markets and shops to buy essential items. Normal traffic was observed on the roads. Socio-political commentator C.H. Bijoy has said that Home Minister of India Amit Shah was misinformed by somebody. He said during a press meet held at his residence at RIMS Complex, Lamphilpa today. Speaking to media persons, Bijoy further said the recent violence was not the order of Manipur High Court. Moreover, the violence was not on account of court's order. It was already pre-planned and fully arranged. The issue can be resolved earlier. However, the involvement of Sioux militants is the main cause of strengthening the present violence. He drew the attention of the state and central government to bring about an amicable solution at the earliest.
Sequential operation withdraw to Sri Amisana had a ground strictly knocked Ragadi. Akan Macherak Pigini. Harry Wahujim among the listening like high grade. Chief Minister na high grade, Mapandila, any minister na high grade, Sugi ground, Ngana Salona. Hare, when we withdraw to the Yadraga, the Makuna Pyro collation do, Yam Saber Impal the Rakada, don't Tambiro. Do you know the Kena Samakula, anytime pirates, Akibida, Kananakari, Hariduno? Hoji security advisor or Viriba City Sinsu Karak High grade, Sugi, the Ken Salubuda, me machine sooner Lerende, Kulai sooner Lerenda, Yam Tenari. Adu work at the Moy Chapidaram, Tamdana, Miku Kudin Sangmanga Majanate, Mahoi Kulai Shindo, pull up Hood Pirata, Sheva area, Manipur rifles, police, Kulai Tamandra, Tambiva, Giplano, Pakalam River Karinova. Monsieur couldn't hungry. Adu work at the Mate Prasasi confidential Lakani. Luna Luna, high revisions in a Kulai Mando, Pyraga, government strike in Jaraga, extort over mutual commit over the chang to 100 neighbor. Matani point any hygiene is low over the Sri Amishana Laga helicopter service of Dogani to Elote. Magi Narangi press conference is done to Adagi Mamanga Mana Mori and Richardson selling it to Sumina Haeva. Mori Degi Amazon Churchan Protegi. Ijol Parga Guwahati helicopter service Tangani Haeva. Sikari Artanova. Atai Matanda, what may other carry the highway Rikisu Kalamoy, Hojiki lay river, low river situations da Mahakna normal cheap or Henganina line. Churchampur Impal passenger service chain by say normal Chikitan Ipodoni. More Impal passenger service chain and Hanaman Hanjin by say normal Sigimanum Chaleva.
Janata Dal United Manipur has urged the central government to bring about a long-term policy to resolve the present crisis in Manipur. The leaders of the party today expressed that recent visit of Union Home Minister Amit Shah is not a fruitful visit. The desire of the people is to withdraw the suspension of operation. However, not a single word was mentioned by the Home Minister except the warning of Sioux militants not to violate ground rule of the said Sioux agreement. Many leaders of JDU Manipur State Unit criticized Amit Shah's visit to Manipur.
Completely failed. Commercial activities completely failed. Banking service completely failed. Which is who being the seller queue live Kadraba. Few hours is nothing being hanging, but who never set being him among the queue live Kadraba. I do talk Kadraba. I do, where is I could give banking, I could know the season that I could activities in Torumbasing to I could visit. Oh, I never. So many activities here must say, Pangalu, put that I could give net a thing, but say, look, you. Yes, area heard the moitingu. Yay, I do not completely I could think, but say, Masidi, very Masidi ID, I could give party, my Masi. Demand Tori, Madudi Atubu Matamda, Aduna Hariba, Wapang Karsi, Haiba Loina, Ekoi Highway Singi, Nan
National Highway Amana 37 ni, Hauji Makbudi, National Highway 37 chi, Kabak Chali, Adubu, Hairiba National Highway number 2, which is the main line for the state of Manipur, the Libiriba, Ichinanao, Ima Iben. Ekoi livelihood se self-sufficient state, or the Bugimaram Oidana, essential commodities, so on and so forth. See, Ekoina dependent on supply from outside the state. Howzik National Highway among the Chapagimaram Oiduna. National Highway 37 degi numit kuding lak ponte because of road blocked or because of some natural calamities. Asigum mana thok degi supplies in intinanga na Manipur de yaud bagi maram oiduna. Hauzik aikoi gi business ke partner sing natarga business toriba group si asina hairiba Karama Purakpa Port Singse Madusu Blade Amuk Sanakieva. Some Hyderabad Chang Si Aikoigi half bag Hybra Madu, which was 1,700 ado. How's it 2,000 Yorene? Home Minister na Lakpasida, Hoi Mabusu Tagacheri, Aikoi relief camp the Ladiba. Awa basing the makta manasu relief package pirani hai adubu aikoi icham na leijaba mi sing the maksu masisi national highway si maru oibage maram oiduna hauzik ki phibam asida aikoi chana thangna masi leirak tabasida probab the haibugumna a hungry man is an angry man haibadona Talk ni hangam de, talk loy have so hangam de.
Union Minister Piyush Goyal during an interview said that 90% of congressmen say that they would have loved to be a part of the inauguration of the new parliament building, but couldn't because they were not told. He further said the members of the ruling party and the opposition talk informally very often. Twitter's head of trust and safety, Ella Irwin, told Reuters on Thursday that she has resigned from the social media company. She is the second person in this role, which involves overseeing content moderation, to leave since Elon Musk completed his takeover in October 2022. Her predecessor, Yoel Roth, had resigned just 2 weeks under Musk's leadership. The GRE general test will take less than 2 hours to complete, roughly half the time of the current test from September 2023. This makes the GRE the shortest and most efficient test for graduate business and law school admissions, the Educational Testing Service, ETS, said. Candidates can expect their official scores much faster in just 8 to 10 days, ETS added. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lisingamaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana honajaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Miyamda Kanganjaba UNACO School Chanungda Security Force Lairibasi School Asiga Karimta Mari Lainajade Mapam Sida Security Force Thamba Pamba Pamdaba Haibasi Miyamna Lepiu Miyamgi Warip Aduda Ekoi Saguchay Luinina Atopa UNACO Gi School Singda Security Force Amapauba Laisilak Palate Miyamna Hozik Hauriba Iho Asi Manipur Kannanaba Oibana UNACO Group Su Miyamgi Iho Asida Saru Yazari Kanghanjariba PRO UNACO School.
Welcome back. You're watching ELITETV English News. NASA recently held its first public meeting on its study on unidentified anomalous phenomena UAP. During the meeting, NASA released a footage of an orb-shaped UFO flying over the Middle East. NASA stated that the object has no enigmatic technical capabilities. Being able to come to some conclusion is going to take time, NASA added. The India Meteorological Department IMD on Thursday issued a heatwave warning for parts of West Bengal till June 7th. People are likely to witness hot and humid weather in districts including West Bardhaman, South 24 Parganas, East Midnapore, Purulia, Malda and North and South Dinajpur. People have been advised to avoid prolonged heat exposure. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) on Thursday launched 100 Days, 100 Pays campaign to trace and settle the top 100 unclaimed deposits of every bank in every district within 100 days. This move comes amid the RBI's ongoing efforts to reduce the quantum of unclaimed deposits in the banking system and return such deposits to their rightful owners, claimants. Piramal Group Chairman Ajay Piramal said post-COVID-19 there's a lot of positivity and optimism in India and outside of India about investing in India. Investors coming to India only talk about the growth prospects and say there are very few risks. One of the reasons in the way we manage COVID-19 for the population, for the economy, it has been exemplary, he said. Apple's first 2 stores in India has grossed monthly sales of around 22 to 25 crore rupees each, the Economic Times reported. Citing industry experts, it added that the sales figures are more than twice the profits garnered by an electronics store during non-festive seasons. Apple is said to be spending 40 to 42 lakh rupees on rent for its Delhi and Mumbai outlets. The world's first 3D printed Hindu temple is being built in Telangana and will be built in an area of 3,800 square feet by Hyderabad-based construction company Upsujal Infratech and Simply Forge Creations. The 3 sanctums or garbhas within the structures represent a modak dedicated to Lord Ganesha and Hari Krishna Jidipalli, MD Upsuja Infratech. For ELITETV News Channel, contact the email address info@elitetv.in or 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now the headlines once again. Core issue of Sue not addressed, Axel. Curfew relaxed from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Imphal East and West and Thawal districts. And Inspector General Rajiv Singh appointed as new DGP Manipur. That's all for now. Thank you for watching ELITETV English News. Take care and stay safe.